Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about knee stretches flat back. So the knee stretches flat back is part of the whole knee stretch series, and in a perfect world you'd go round flat to knees off without stopping, and you'd just be like an awesome strong beast about it. But trust me, I totally understand if knee stretches is like not your thing and you hate them. I definitely remember thinking that my teacher forgot them every single week until I realized there was an order and they come at the end all the time. So we'll go into knee stretches flat back. I'll show you the transition from the round shape, and we'll talk about knee stretches knees off in another video. But you have two heavy springs on, and typically you would make sure all of your toes are under, pressing your feet down and into your shoulder blocks. You would go from the knee stretches round, and then in theory you would just flip your spine and keep going. So the transition would be the round to the flat, right? When you're new though, that doesn't really happen like that. So here's your round. Then pull your heart forward and find your swan-like chest. So you don't want to be here in your lower back. So my lower back's also not tucked, it's just long, and my upper back's what's connected. And then you try not to lift your hips to make room for your legs. You just hold yourself up nice and long, and then your legs can move freely. And that way you can go right into your knee stretches, knees off at some point when you're ready. So I'm going to do from the round to the flat without talking, so you can kind of get a visual for yourself and just see how the body needs to move together. Whew. Always trying to make sure you close the spring. That's a challenging piece for me. If you have any questions on how this works out, please put in the comments below. And if you would like to see how this affects your entire Pilates practice, I'd love to have you in my online reformer classes. I have a new class with a new theme every single week over on onlinepilatesclasses.com.